Can I use Monzo without a card? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I use Monzo without a card? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. The short answer is yes, you can use Monzo without a card. The long answer is a bit more complicated. Here's what you need to know. Monzo offers a virtual card that you can use to make online purchases and payments. You can also use Monzo to set up direct debits and standing orders. You can also use Monzo to send and receive money to other people. However, you cannot use Monzo to withdraw cash from ATMs. Here are some of the pros and cons of using Monzo without a card. Pros. It's convenient. You can use Monzo from anywhere in the world, at any time. It's secure. Your virtual card is protected by the same security features as your physical card. It's free. There are no fees associated with using Monzo without a card. Cons. You can't use it to withdraw cash from ATMs. You may need to provide additional identification when making certain transactions. Overall, I think that Monzo is a great option for people who want a convenient and secure way to manage their money. If you're looking for a way to use Monzo without a card, I highly recommend it. Here are some additional tips for using Monzo without a card. Set up a spending limit. This will help you to avoid overspending. Enable notifications. This will let you know when you make a transaction. Review your transactions regularly. This will help you to spot any unauthorized activity. I hope this helps. Outro. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Additional information. You can learn more about Monzo on their website, https://web.monzo.com. You can download the Monzo app from the App Store or Google Play. https://apps.apple.com/us/app/monzo-mobile-banking/ID 105223865 You can follow Monzo on social media. https://www.socialday.live/features/how-monzo-uses-social-media-to-build-a-brand-people-love. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, I encourage you to check out their website, download the app, and follow them on social media. Thanks for watching.